So, for people who don't know it, Wednesday always is therapy day for my anxiety. So, that's where I went this morning. I started editing in my break and I am going to finish editing right now. So, that's what I'm gonna do. It's around 3:30 p.m. So I have a few hours to edit. I will set my alarm so I can edit for a certain amount of time. I think 45 minutes. Then I have a little break and then I can do that again. Or I will film in between and put my alarm for another chunk of time to edit. I hope most of the editing will be done today. And I hope I can film the last video today. So tomorrow is just some finishing touches on editing and pictures and text I want to include with my processes. So yeah, let's do this. It's the last day. Well, almost the last day I can finish it. So I'm gonna work really hard. Like I said, I'm gonna do 45 minutes chunk right now. I have been pretty productive since I last updated you, because I edited 4 videos. I did subtitles for four videos and I did a voiceover for 2 videos. So that's quite a lot. Yeah, I have to film 1 more video and edit it before tomorrow afternoon. And then I am done for my deadline. I am thinking about going to bed right now, even though it's only almost 9 o'clock p.m. But I am very tired and I'm starting to have a headache. So I think it was a busy day. Because like I said before, my therapy is also exhausting, and like I also said, I did a lot after that. So I think I will head to bed, come up with a plan for tomorrow and start filming in the morning and edit it afterwards. So I am done when I go to work at 1 o'clock. So that's my plan. Yep. So good night. Yay, I'm done. Last video has just been uploaded. It's almost noon, so I'm done right in time. Too early even, no. I have to be at work in 1 hour, so it's time to get ready for human world. But I'm done. Oh, and live video tonight. Of course you have, it's already been when you watch this vlog, but yeah, I will be doing a live video tonight. I have to print pictures and wait for you guys what you want to see. But first, I have to go to work. Well, shower first. Baby. Nee. So it's almost 8 p.m. Yeah, 6 more minutes. I will be doing a live video, but I don't know what I will do yet. So yeah, there were not really many responses to what they wanted me to do. 1 scrapbook page. That's not true. 1 pocket page. I will see. I'm a bit tired. I'm not sure if you can tell. But when I go and scrapbook, I will be fine. But it's not gonna be very late today, I think. I need some rest. Yep. Just finished my live video and totally forgot filming for the vlog. But here it is.